He'll crack them for you.
Yeah, throw them in the bed.
Throw them on the bed. Yeah, throw them to you.
Yeah.
After he crack them for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Milo. Yeah. What you talking about?
Say hello, Milo. Hello.
Milo. Hello, Milo. Huh? What? Huh?
What, Milo?
What you said? What you said?
What, Milo?
What, Milo? Check him out. He whistling and everything. Uh-huh. He be doing all that. Sometimes I might laugh for 5 minutes. I'll be out here by myself. Be going at it.
Because he's hungry and he wants food. What, Milo? What you want?
So he be wanting food.
Say hello, Milo. Hello, Milo.
You say, Ruben, give me some food. I ain't.
Yeah, Ruben don't get enough food. That's why.
You shouldn't be throwing it all on the ground. He'll throw it on the ground, won't it?
Yeah.
End up playing around by itself. If it was two of Milo's, it'll be a whole bunch of stuff on the ground.
I know.
It'll be sweeping up seed piles. How like ant beds and stuff. That's how they be on the ground. Milo and Rilo.
No, he's a boy. He's a boy.
Yeah, Rilo a boy named